Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the SilverStone SETA H1 Mass Peak Tower case. So friends, SilverStone has unveiled the SETA H1 Mid Tower PC case, and friend, each places a premium or ventilation thanks to a complete mesh front panel. And friend, additionally, the top panel is virtually meshed with a filter, ensuring great cooling performance. And friend, the back of the front panel features a detachable bracket for attaching a cooling fan or radiator, making installation simple. And a built-in RGB strip with ARGB effects is integrated into the front panel. And from the left side panel is made of tempered glass, and you may construct a intuition machine. And friend, additionally, the cooling fan comes standard with front 160 mm x 2 and rear 140 mm x 1 blades, and friend, up to 120 mm or 140 mm x 3 or 160 mm x 2 may be mounted on the top, and friend, 120 mm x 3 or 140 mm x 2 and rear 120 mm or 140 mm x 1. And friend, water cooled radiator can have a front diameter of 360 mm, top diameter of 360 mm and rear diameter of 140 mm. And friend, 3.5 inch base or 2.5 inch base with 7+2 extended slot comprise the driveway arrangement. And additionally, it enables vertical graphics card mounting. And additionally, it supports a graphics card with a maximum height of 394 mm and width of 188 mm of up to 188 mm, and CPU cooler with the maximum height of 182 mm and E-ATX power supply unit with the maximum depth of 250 mm. Okay. And SSI-EEB, SSI-CEB, E-ATX, ATX, MicroATX, Mini-ITX are all supported form factors. And friend, the front I/O has one USB Type-C port, two USB 3.0 ports, and one audio port and one audio output input port. And friend, external dimensions are 232 mm wide, 480 mm deep, 494 mm tall, and when it really comes with 9.67 kg. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.